Hi, Casey.
Hello!
So what is that? What do you want to show me today?
This is a model of the rainforest cutouts.
Okay, so can you arrange it first?
Just gonna arrange you first here, then maybe you here, then you down here, and then this one right over here.
Okay, so how many layers the rainforest have?
4.
What are the layers of the rainforest?
Okay, let me show you. So the top one, emergent, then canopy, then understory, and last is forest floor.
Okay, so we have here the definition of each layer. So you have to get one and read it, and then you will tell me what layer is that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, get one.
Small trees and shrubs that are able to live in low light conditions. Animals living in this layer are snakes, insects, bees, and many more.
What layer is that?
Understory.
Okay. Get another one.
Next one. The dark, damp ground layer, where the rainforest's largest animals are found, like tigers, bears, gorillas, elephants, and many, many more.
So which layer is that?
Forest floor.
Okay. And another one.
The branches and leaves of most of the rainforest trees. This is the layer in which the largest number of rainforest species are found. Animals living in this layer are toucans, monkeys, lizards, and many more.
What layer is that?
Canopy.
Okay.
And
The last one.
not least, the top of the highest trees. This layer receives bright sunlight and plenty of rain, and also very windy. Animals living in this layer are birds, bats, gliders, butterflies, and many more.
So what layer is that?
Emergent.
Emergent. Emergent is the top layer.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what you have learned in studying the layers of the rainforest.
I learned that each layer receives a different amount of sunlight and rain. So that is why different type of animals live in different type of layers.
Yes, that's correct. Different animals and plants are living in the different layers of
The rainforest.
rainforest. Very good.
Bye-bye.